channel David0117, and he literally just fired a rocket so high to the moon, and make sure to watch out, but actually not to the moon, but it's pretty high. So stay tuned and find out. Welcome back to the YouTube channel David0117. So today we are going to build a rocket using every single material on this entire table. So safety first. So here is my safety glasses, and then here's my resistance safety glasses. And you need a pencil and a paper for what? To draw your plan in your mind. And then you have 3 bottles to build 3 different rockets. So we are going to use baking powder vs baking soda vs powdered sugar. And you need a stick to put on the rocket, and then you could hold it. So on the side we are using vinegar, and it's not that strong. So then we decided to use lemon acid mixed with water to create a chemical reaction. So you need a scissor and a tape. So you use the scissor to cut the tape and then tape the chopsticks there. And then you have 3 cups, 1 for each rocket, and then you mix it with the spoon. And then here's a scale to measure how heavy is the thing, and you say exactly what we want. And then here is a measuring cup to check how much water we put there. And then here is a ruler to check how high does the rocket fly on the end. And then we also have a paper, so when we put the acid on the cup, then we put on, and then we take a tissue, and then we put it here, and then put it on the Coca-Cola bottle, and then we don't want it to touch the Coca-Cola, or it will have a chemical reaction immediately, so you definitely don't want that. So here's our plan. So we have 3 color bottles full of color. So how do we waste it? Yeah, here's the question. So we're going to use a menthol. So here we are going to use 100% of Coca-Cola, and then put 3 menthols in it. And then you will have a chemical reaction. So we will check how high does the rocket fly. And then the second one, we do the same, but we use 50% of the color. And then the third one, we will check on those 2, which one is higher. Then we will use 6 of it to make an even bigger chemical reaction. After all 3 Coca-Cola bottles is empty, then we are going to use the first one. We are going to use it using baking powder with, and then we put it on a cup, baking powder, and then we put the lemon acid in it, and then you take a spoon, and then you mix it in, and after it's mixed perfectly together, then you put it in the bottle. And then you put it in the bottle, same as the second one, but the second one we are using baking soda, and the third one we are going to use powdered sugar. So I think the baking soda will do the best job because I have absolutely no idea, so that's it. So we are going to use 105 grams for each bottle using those powders, and we are going to use 300 milliliters of water, and we are going to put in each bottle. So if you have 3 bottles, then in total we need times 3, then we have 900 milliliters. So make sure to prepare this much water on your house, or this experiment will totally fail. And how can we check it? So the water, we are going to use the measuring cup. So here, and the powders, we are going to take the cup, put it here, and then you activate it. So So now we have to measure how wide is this color bottle. So let's make a decent big and then rotate it. So the thing is 33. So then we use a tape and a scissor to cut a perfectly, like, is close to 33. So now we are going to put a chopsticks in every place of it. So 33 divided by 8. So 33 divided by 4, then it's closer to 8. So then let's do it 8. So here's a 1, 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. And then now we are going to do 8 times 2 equals 16. And 8 times 3 equals 24. And the final one is 32. So now we are going to use this giant, big guy, and we are going to spin it around if you're lazy as me. And then after you spin around, you have something like this here. So I know the last one is kind of trouble. So we are going to make it reinforcement, double reinforcement. You are going to do reinforcement to make it extra secure, like a zombie apocalypse base, because you want more protection, the better it will be, and same as a rocket. And then now here is it. I feel like the reinforcement is good, and if you have a lot of tapes, then you definitely want to wash it. But now it's a surprise. Does it will work? Yes or no? So my thing is no, because it's so thin. What the? And now we have to do it 2 more times. Oh God. Okay, the second one, it should be done. So we shouldn't do the reinforcement, but not bad, also not bad. Not bad. And the final one is done. So now we are going to do a test rocket using the first prototype because it's sick and cool. So why not? So we have 7 packages of baking soda, and we are going to measure how much of it. Then we are going to put this very dangerous thing, the lemon acid. So safety first, because if you have it on your eyes, you definitely don't want that. Yeah. So first we put all 7 packs in. So okay, now we are on a lunch place out of nowhere near the street, and today we are going to fire the rocket. Probably, I would have a guess like nowhere because I have absolutely no idea. But let's get right into it. So let's open it.
Hold on. Hey,
What?
Wait. There's now 2 things that will happen now. So we are here at our site take the funnel. And you're sure that you will open it, yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Hold on, hold it with one hand because you will need to remove it very fast. And if I say remove,
Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dude, would you hold it?
Ayo.
It's not enough.
Okay, flip it, flip or floor.
Go to the other side. We need to see how far it flies. Go to the ones.
3.
Don't wait 30 seconds. Wait, don't.
Now.
Go head down. Head.
The other thing.
Wait. 也张开一点。好，我你的眼睛。
3, 2, 1. I like put it on.
走开。还不躲开？我的小波。
Let's just see this time if the thing is exploding to the top. So I want to actually see if the seating is good. Okay.
待会小心一点，走开。很危险的，不要靠近了。你学不学会保护自己啊？你看爸爸都是躲着的。
Yeah, now I can try to trigger it, okay? But I think it will be a mess.
Okay. Good.
The police will come.
It will. This was nothing, bro.
Bro, I don't think Coca-Cola works anymore. 58, 57, 56, 55. I think cola works. Like, dude, there's a big explosion, but he can't lift.
Okay, so the colors all.
Cola experiment
What
failed.
are the medicine? Talk, tell the guys what you're doing.
Okay, so we are going to put nitro in this bottle and close it. Baking powder. So I don't think it will do the best job, but at least you can save a few meters. So let's put it in. 2, 1, go. Count down right now. 60, 59, 58, 57, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43.
去哪了？
How high?
脱了就去哪？
Good. I asked David how tall you can shoot.
10 meters!
Maybe I put the cork in deeper this time.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, what the? So unfortunately, I lost. And the baking powder is the first place, taller than the tree, 10 meters. And the second place is baking soda, is what I think. It will go to the highest. And it go, you could say like a 3 meter to 5 meter. And the third one, it got nothing. And the last place, he didn't do any chemical reaction, nothing. It's powdered sugar. So we know the answer. What should you choose between 3 different things? Powdered sugar, natural, or you could say baking powder, and then baking soda. So I recommend you to choose the baking powder because he did the best job on this experiment.
It's flying higher than the trees, correct?
Yeah.
And the other is shorter than the trees.
Yeah.
You can get the same amount.
Yeah.
So we should repeat the experiment again, yes or no?
Yeah, boys. Goodbye.